Welcome back to New Zealand, day 2. Today we're in Matakana, exploring Matakana, and here in Omaha Beach.
Look how pretty the sand is.
It's nice, isn't it? It's a really beautiful day. I think it's like 26, 27, and there's a volcano over there, I think. I'm gonna put the drone up, but I don't know what the drone laws are in New Zealand. I might have to walk away a bit. That's beautiful here. Stunning New Zealand. All right. Don't get yourself too wet.
I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase, and they hide away from it.
How is it? It's cold?
It's a bit cold, but then when you get in there for a while, it's warm.
Yeah. That's called Little Rock Island. We're now in Omaha Beach, right at the end of it, where there's an inlet. Gonna go have a look. You can hear the ocean. It's beautiful here. You like it?
Yeah.
Lots of seashells for you. It's a bit windy though.
I only want to take two.
One thing that they do here is really good conservation. So everything's blocked off and they've got traps around. Oh!
No drones.
Oh my god, no drones.
Ew, there's a squashed cockroach.
Let's go. Go for it. This one.
This just looks like a desert to me.
That's really cool. How they block everything off. It's a shame I can't fly my drone because I actually brought the Mavic. But I'll respect the rules because it says there's birds nesting here.
You can hear the birds.
Yeah, you can hear the birds. Lots of birds. It's beautiful. Wow. Look at it singing. Look.
Everybody wanna
That is
go,
awesome.
but no one really cares to know. I see marvels, I see titans, and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase, and they hide away from it.
I love how you take that. Hey buddy, you're gorgeous. Oh, yes, I know, you need love too. I know, you're gorgeous too. Good stuff. This one?
Yeah, he's about a year old.
Zeus is gorgeous.
He's very easy. His name's Noodles.
Noodles?
Yeah.
Oh. Noodles, you are so gorgeous. Oh, I'll have one too. He's so good. Well, that's it. We're done. Let's go home now.
I worry, it's no hurry, 'cause we got all the time we need.